this video, I'll show you how to create vertical mirror effect in CapCut PC. Let's use this video as an example. To start, add it to the timeline. Then duplicate the video clip and overlay it on the top layer. Click on the duplicate clip. Click Mirror. Go to the Video Mask option and choose Horizontal. Rotate the mask line to 90 degrees. Now play the video to see the effect. We can also go to the Effects tab and add additional effects as needed. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.